here we are today's ride. So we're going to Warburn, and other than that I'm not sure. Just going to make it up as we go. Just riding through the city centre. We're going to go down Camden Park towards Willen, and then make our way to Little Brickhill, that kind of way. Bring you back in a minute. Oh, by the way, we're on the SL.
Crawling to deceive my mind and let me drown in every shade of blue. Peel my skin till I have nothing but your warmth, your arms to hold on to. Lover, you could drain my soul, could rip my heart in two. Lover, you could ease the pain you're carrying my wounds. Ascend until I'm close enough to reach the reins of your joy and sorrow. Shake the ground beneath your feet and break the walls, or build them as our home. Lover, I could drain your soul, could rip your heart in two. Lover, I could ease your pain, I'm carrying your wounds. We'll be lost inside the ruins if our heart is overthrown us. But it's everything or nothing until then. Crawl into the sea, my mind, and let me drown in every shade of blue.
So here we are, just approaching Fenny Stratford and Fenny Lock on our way to Warburn. So the lock is actually manually operated. You just push it round, obviously once the gates are open. I can show you the latch, manually actuated latch. That's why you manually do it, and you just push it round. Here we are at abandoned farm at Little Brick Hill. Well, farm buildings anyway. The farm must be over there somewhere. The farmhouse and that. Must be some kind of silo that there. See with the V thing? Where they can feed, put lorry in and feed grain into it or something. I think all these roofs are asbestos as well.
I was talking to Johnny about the shape I'm in, with the pinhole eyes and the darkness within. But the kid don't lie. He says we know what we know. I'm sick of kicking out my life in the glare of a world that just don't wanna know. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go the road. No. But the kid don't lie, never says a word. But he looked me in the eye, and I stared right down that barrel into the bottom of the world. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go the road. And if you're rolling easy, go steady. You gotta do what you do to get along.
for lunch in Stockgrove Park. I've just done about 60% of the red run, but it's shite. It runs on itself, so you end up going backwards down the track. You'll just come up. I think the signage is terrible. Not a bad route though. There's absolutely no one around except me. Anyway, it's a cheese sandwich with ketchup and a bottle of Vimto. So, cheese sandwich, gone hard, and a bottle of Vimto. I'm going to eat that now. Have a rest for 20 minutes or so. Bring you back in a minute. Well, here we are in the middle of Warburn Golf Course. This is the bridleway which runs in between. So you can see the Duke's 14th and the 5th to the 11th tees on that side. See some geezers there. Okay, here we are at the top of Church Road. Church is just down there. We're going to have a look at that actually before we go down the roller coaster. So I'm going to have a look at the roller coaster. I've not been down it for a while. I'm a little bit nervous about it because it is quite tricky. So here we are, All Saints, Ballbrick Hill. Been here quite a few times, but it's a church that I don't think's ever open.
I am the spy.